What's up guys, welcome back to Free to Be, and today we're going to be talking about the top 3 ways to make money online. So let's get started. Alright, now before we get started, as always, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on those notifications. Alright, so the first way is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, Amazon Mechanical Turk is an online platform that's put out there by Amazon, and it's basically a task-based platform. Users log in and they perform tasks for anything between 2 cents and $10 a task. Now, I haven't tried this myself, but a lot of the different videos I have seen, even though they do mention Amazon as a viable way of making money, they do also point out that it is a lot of time for not a lot of pay. And now for every 5 or 6 videos I've seen like that, there have been some that actually produce results that could be upwards of $50 an hour. Those are a little bit more rare, but again, I will be putting this to the test and I will be bringing you some real results, and I will give you the conditions that I went through and used to achieve my results, so stick around for that. Alright, so the second most popular method people are making money online is this website called user testing. And what user testing is basically you testing out a website for a different company or a small business, right? They'll give you this task and then you go through the website and you follow the steps and you test out based on the criteria that they want you to check for. Now, this one I have done a little bit of research on, and it looks like it involves recording your voice and recording your screen on your computer. So if you're not comfortable with either one of those, this may not be it for you. But with that said, they do pay $10 flat per test that you complete, and it looks like the tests take anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes. Now, I have watched a lot of videos where people do produce results where they have earned $20, $30. I'm just not sure how often you are eligible for test. If it's like market study, you might not be eligible that often. But again, I will be testing this out and bringing you guys real results. Alright, and now the third approach, or most popular approach online that I've come across, is this site called TextBroker. And what TextBroker does, it basically buys content from content creators and sells them, and then it pays you per word of whatever you produce for them. And the content is definitely in written form, and it looks like they pay you anything from half a cent per word to 5 cents per word. And the results have varied from what I've found online. It seems that a lot of people don't necessarily qualify for the highest ranking to get the 5 cents per word, but the step right under that is 1.5 cents per word, which could still end up being a decent size of money. Again, I'm not sure how often you can be sent a task or a request to create this content. I don't know if you can just produce any content and put it on there, but I will try it out and see what I can do. So the 3 methods that I just mentioned, I don't anticipate that either one of them, or really all of them together, will get me to a point where I'm comfortable and I can retire or quit my job, but that's not the approach I'm taking here. My thought with these is that I can create enough of an income, an extra income really, where then I can parlay that into some investment of some sort. And that's really the mission here, is to turn small sums into one big sum over time. And that's what we'll do here. So stick around for those updates, and I'll definitely bring you more videos in the future with different approaches and different methods that you can use. And I will be reviewing each of these methods and going into further detail on my results in the future. So if you like this video, guys, hit the thumbs up button below, drop me a comment, and we'll see you next time.